Welcome to Computer Code channel. In this video, we are going to cover MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access important multiple choice questions answers with explanation. The term margin is used to. The options are A. Add space to the binding side, B. Add space to the right margin, C. Add space to footer side, D. Add space for footnote. Let's see the meaning and use of gutter margin, footer note and footnote. A gutter margin adds extra space to the side, top margin or inside margins of a document you plan to bind. A footer is the bottom margin of each page. Footnotes are notes indicated in your text with numbers and placed at the bottom of the page. They are used to provide additional information. Gutter margin is not related to footer and footnote. The correct answer is answer A. Add space to bind inside. What is the shortcut key to update formula in a table? The options are A. F12, B. F2, C. F6, D. F9. Let's see the options in detail. F12 opens the Save As dialog box. F2 edit the Add to cell and put the insertion point at the end of its contents. F6 switches between the worksheets, ribbon, task pane and zoom controls. The correct answer is answer D. F9. Control K command is used to. The options are A. Insert a hyperlink, B. Insert a bookmark, C. Insert a page, D. Insert a comment. Insert bookmark shortcut key. Control Shift F5. Insert comment shortcut key. Control Alt M. Insert second page. Control Enter. Insert a hyperlink. Control K. The correct answer is answer A. Insert a hyperlink. In MS Word, we can zoom a document maximum up to. The options are A. 100%, B. 50%, C. 500%, D. 400%. The correct answer is answer C. 500%. How can you see all your slides at once? The options are A. Normal view, B. Slide view, C. Slideshow, D. Slide sorter view. The correct answer is answer D. Through slide sorter view. Which key is used to increase left indent? The options are A. Ctrl I, B. Ctrl M, C. Alt M, D. Alt I. Let's see the options in detail. Ctrl I. It italicizes the text. Alt M. In Excel, Alt M opens Formulas tab in the ribbon. In a MS Word, Alt M opens Mailing tab in the ribbon. Alt I. It opens the Insert menu. The correct answer is answer B. Control M. What is the shortcut key to insert a new slide in PowerPoint? The options are A. Control N, B. Control M, C. Escape, D. F5. Control N. Create a new presentation document. Control M. Insert a new slide. F5 Play the presentation from the start. Escape. End the slideshow. The correct answer is answer B. Control M. Special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are known as, the options are A. Effects, B. Annotations, C. Transitions, D. Custom animations. The correct answer is answer C. Transitions. What is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright symbol? The options are A. Ctrl C, B. Alt Shift C, C. Alt Ctrl C, D. Ctrl Shift C. Ctrl C. Copy the selected text. Alt Shift C. Remove the document window split. Ctrl Shift C. Copy formats. The correct answer is answer C. Alt Ctrl C. Which one is the most suitable reason to use macros in MS Office? The options are A. To insert chart, B. To insert comment, C. To automate repetitive work, D. To insert caption. Let's see the options one by one. Chart. Chart allows you to illustrate your work data graphically, which makes it easy to visualize comparisons and trends. Comment. Make suggestions to other people or to track issues for follow-up. Macro. You can automate frequently used tasks by creating and running macros. Caption. A caption is a feature in MS Word that labels the picture or object. The default options for the captions are equation, figure, and table. The correct answer is answer C. To automate repetitive tasks. In MS Excel, a function inside another function is called a dash function. The options are A. Code, B. Repeat, C. Average, D. Nested. Let's see the options in detail. Code. The Excel code function returns a numeric code for a given character. For example, code A returns the code 97. Code Z returns the code 90. Repeat function. The Excel repeat function repeats characters a given number of times. Average. Categorized under statistical functions. It will return the average value of a given series of numbers in Excel. Function nested. Nested function is a function defined within another function, the enclosing function. Nested function is also called as inner function. To select a whole line, you have to press F8 key for how many times? A 3, B 2, C 1, D 0. The correct answer is answer A 3. Which key is used to increase right indent? The options are A. Ctrl R, B. Ctrl M, C. Alt M, D. Alt R. Let's see the options in detail. Ctrl R. The shortcut key is used to align the text to the right of the screen. Ctrl M. It is used to increase left indent. Alt M. In MS Excel, Alt M opens Formula tab in the ribbon. In MS Word, Alt M opens Mailings tab. in the ribbon. Alt All. In MS Word, Alt All opens Review tab. The correct answer is answer A. Control R. Which key can be used to view slideshow? The options are A. F2, B. F5, C. F9, D. F7. Let's see the options in detail. In PowerPoint, F2 cycles between the text for editing and selecting the object itself, for moving or formatting. F5. Begin a slideshow with your active presentation from the first slide. F7. Opens the editor pane and starts a spelling and grammar check. The correct answer is answer B, F5. By default, worksheets that are present in a computer Excel workbook are A3, B5, C4, D1. The correct answer is answer A, 3. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code World channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.